Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new update on Ethena. All right, I know quite a lot of you are trading this, quite a lot of you are holding this, but now for the first time in some time, I think the price action is interesting enough to make a full video on. So that's what we'll do. All right, we'll do a full video. We'll talk about the fundamentals, which I think are relevant. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about potential price targets. We'll talk about a potential bull run. Everything you need to know. All right, so let's get right into it. I think it's best to start with the fundamentals, all right? Because the market right now, with Bitcoin turning more bullish and with the funding rates turning, the funding rates becoming positive again, where they were negative, that's bullish for Ethena, all right? Because Ethena and the yield of its stablecoin, USDE, is very, or USDCE, I'm not sure. But that's very dependent on those funding rates being positive. That's how they make money. So that's how they provide yield to people who hold that stablecoin. So there was a little bit of FUD and a little bit of fear that if those funding rates stayed negative, that they would have to pay fees, and then the yields would drop down, decreasing the utility of their platform. So with now the market becoming a little bit more bullish, but also the yields, or at least the funding rates going up, that's positive. We cannot see that in the total value locked yet. You can see that the total value locked in Ethena is still down. So preferably we need to see some sort of an uptrend in there if we want to be very, very bullish on Ethena. But if you look at the technicals right here, we are starting to look more bullish. All right, and that's what I think is very, very interesting, because what you have right now is that the market is becoming a little bit more bullish, and the fundamentals for Ethena are getting a bit more bullish. And never underestimate the power of the backing of Ethena. All right, you have Binance, you have Wintermute, you have some major influencers behind this. That matters, right? It matters a lot. So in general, right now, the main resistance level to break, I think, is 93 or 92.5 cents. But we are getting signs of a reversal. We're breaking above EMAs, the 28, the 50, and the 100 EMA. And we are getting some sort of a breakout right here above 88 cents. We're putting in, just in general, this is some sort of I forgot the name, but this is some sort of a pattern. So I do think, Bitcoin can pull back, and then Ethena will pull back as well, down to like 85, 87 cents. But even with that, what I expect to happen at some point of time is that we will break above 93 cents to rally back up to 1.03 and probably higher, because then it's a real reversal. All right, the downtrend has then turned into an uptrend, and then we can start talking about, well, if we go to the daily time frame, we can start talking about 1.05, we can start talking about 1.2. We might even, depending, like I cannot stress this enough, it is depending on the market. All right, so I think it's most likely we will turn bullish here. But if Bitcoin at any point of time drops down and turns bearish again, or starts to consolidate, then the situation changes. All right, so I also assume that Bitcoin will stay bullish. That's why I feel relatively confident telling you that I expect this breakout eventually, and that we can get some sort of an uptrend. But how high that uptrend will go and how quick it will happen, that depends on the market. All right, so I will keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, I think that's everything you need to know. Like I said, don't forget, a bit of a pullback here is healthy and also to be expected, down towards 87, 85 cents. That's all fine. So don't worry about that, as long as we do gain some momentum back after. But those are my thoughts. For now, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.